Hello, Mr. Hensley.
Hello.
Could you let me know where are you from?
Okay, I am from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Which city?
Okay, specifically I live in Port City, Nigeria.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Thank you for coming our Tanfon solar. So nice today and choose our Tanfon solar. Could you tell me how do you know our Tanfon solar company?
Okay, I got to know about Tanfon energy technology through social media. I saw your adverts on Facebook, so I picked interest because I need solar power system. I contacted you and I told you I would come and to see China.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Thank you so much. It's so late. It's 10 o'clock p.m. in China time, and you come to our factory to confirm the order. I see your scenery very well. Can you tell me why you choose our Tanfon solar?
Yeah, because it's almost 2 weeks I've been chatting to you, and then I saw that kind of transparency. I was convinced in my spirit that yes, I'm dealing with the right person. That's why I choose you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you. And I do hope you give it the best.
Yeah.